This is Luke here. I'm from the Ouke and Automation company in the Alibaba, as you guys all know. So today we invite you warmly to have a little warehouse tour here. So let's get started. As you can see, all these yellow products are from the Fanuc brand, which is a famous Japanese brand here. And here are some control system. And here are some Eurodrive amplifier, and let's take a look from here. As you can see, there are many motor, and also this is also the amplifier too. And for the motor, as you can see that we have a brand new motor, and we also have some motor which is used condition too. So if you need new or needed the second-hand condition, we all can offer the option for you too. Yes, you can take a look of this motor and amplifier, and let's move along to the. As you can see from this aisle, they are all the amplifier. Yes, and mostly are the brand new condition. And we also can offer some spare parts like the circuit board here. As you guys can see, this is the brand new condition too. And the motherboard, the CPU, or some SS card. Yes, all the new condition. And most of the storage are the Fanuc brand, but we also can offer many different brands from here. But today I'm not gonna introduce the other brand to you, and we just want to have a little tour of our warehouse. So if you need any other brand like the Siemens, Mitsubishi, Yaskawa, please just contact us, and you can also follow our main page of our store in the Alibaba, and our sales member will contact you and help you with the inquiry. So maybe see you guys next time, and please do follow us in the store. Bye bye.